Hello fam, this is something special, or let's say this ride is something special. Just a quick 15 kilometers from Hoskote Toll Plaza. We gather at dawn by the Indian Oil petrol pump near the toll gate, ready to roll out with friends, family, and everyone who just wants to enjoy a fun, easy escape. We reach the Bangalore Kayak Club. Here are our boats, each a two-seater, each waiting for us to paddle out into the calm. With Pius and Bags handling all the details, all we have to do is show up and dive into an hour of road and pure. hey, it doesn't end here on water. After kayaking, the wheels and bags crew lined up some good old-fashioned fun. A few rounds of tug-of-war and a three-legged game. We didn't always win, hey, but that's the fun of it. Just another reason to stay tuned for our next coming ride. Upcoming ride to Kerala, right?